The Royal Navy is facing a challenge. Its submarine fleet, the silent guardians of the deep, are facing operational issues. These underwater marvels are vital to our nation's defense, but there are concerns about their readiness. Some submarines have been stuck in port. They need repairs and maintenance. This is worrying news. We need our submarines to be ready for anything. This problem highlights a bigger issue. Keeping submarines in top shape is expensive and difficult, but it's absolutely crucial. Without these submarines, the UK is vulnerable. We need to protect our waters and interests around the world. The Royal Navy needs to find solutions. The submarine crisis has caught the attention of many. Experts are raising questions. They're asking if the Royal Navy has enough support. They're asking if there are enough skilled engineers and sailors. These are important questions. The answers will determine the future of the Royal Navy's submarine fleet. Attack submarines are like ghosts in the water. They are almost impossible to detect. This makes them incredibly valuable. They are a vital part of any strong navy. They have several key roles. First, they protect our waters. They patrol our coastlines, making sure no threats get through. Second, they support our allies. They can quickly deploy to distant waters. This lets us help our friends and partners around the world. Attack submarines also gather intelligence. They act like underwater spies. They can secretly monitor enemy activity. This gives us valuable information about their movements and plans. In a war, attack submarines would be crucial. They can target enemy ships and submarines. They can launch missiles at land targets. This makes them a powerful deterrent. Their ability to stay hidden is key. It lets them approach targets undetected. They can then launch surprise attacks. This makes them a constant threat to enemies. This uncertainty is a powerful weapon in itself. It forces enemies to be more cautious. They have to constantly worry about hidden submarines. This can limit their movements and operations. The Royal Navy has two main types of submarines. First, there are the attack submarines. These are designed to hunt down and neutralize enemy threats. The Astute class is the newest type of attack submarine. They are some of the most advanced submarines in the world. The second type is the ballistic missile submarine. These are the ultimate deterrent. They carry nuclear missiles. The Vanguard class is the Royal Navy's current ballistic missile submarine. They are constantly on patrol, hidden beneath the waves. The world is becoming more dangerous. New threats are emerging all the time. Countries like Russia and China are expanding their navies. They are developing their own advanced submarines. This makes the Royal Navy's submarine force more important than ever. We need to maintain our advantage in this critical area. A strong submarine force allows the UK to project power around the world. It allows us to protect our interests far from our shores. Submarines are also vital for our economy. The UK relies on sea lanes for trade. Over 90% of our goods travel by sea. Submarines help to protect these vital shipping routes. They ensure that goods can flow freely in and out of the country. Without a strong submarine force, our economy would be at risk. Our adversaries know this. Investing in our submarine force is an investment in our future. It ensures that the UK remains a strong and influential nation. It allows us to protect our interests and values in an increasingly uncertain world.